Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world. The longer you live, the more you will realize that the only things that truly exist in this reality are merely pain, suffering, and futility. Listen, everywhere you look in this world, wherever there is light, there will always be shadows to be found as well. The minds of the people are the same, I don't know why. Maybe we're the same, we're living in shame, walking in the darkness, all we do is just complain. We're always the same, yeah, we need a save. Jesus Christ, the only person who died for my shame. Now I'm not to blame, the devil ashamed, stepping on his demons and I eat him for mistake. To him I am saved, the price he did pay. They nailed him on the cross, now we're free from being a slave. The road, the road, walking in his lane. Devils already caught me, but I think it's just too late. He put me in his chains, but now I'm free. Wasting my time, I've been watching Jonathan. Johnny,